real street nigga, do you understand me? I'm a walking bankroll, breezy rubber band means. Red monkeys on my ass, Gucci frames on my face. Got that Tony Tiger Kush, man, pivot smoke great. Every time my phone ring, dog, it's 18.5. Only problem that I have is what car I'm gon' drive. I'm a real street nigga, I ain't never...
Some new when you need some new shit, but you ain't trying to spend all your money on goddamn clothes. Designer, Ross, you pull up for low-key designer. So you got plenty of money for Big Kush. Ross. To Ross. I got bossed the fuck up at Ross. 2 pairs of shoes, like 17 shirts for $100 and less. What's good? You know what I'm saying? We about to do something that might have never been done before on YouTube. I'm about to roll up a big blunt of Kush on my 401k. What's good? Well, you know, it's the annual 401k report. But the Chode is really out here commuting in the business world, and in the Kush world, and in the YouTube world, and in, you know, the Twitter/rapist type of vibe that Twitter has. But whatever. Anyway, we're just out here about to go out tonight with the homeboys. Gonna be all together, so we might get some very rare footage. Because in the coming years, there's a lot of events taking place that the Chode hasn't even disclosed yet. A lot of money being made, but a lot of money's got to get spent. So we rolling up Kush on a 401k just to prove it. We got bags. We got. Hopefully no one saw that other window. Kush. We got multi-Kush. We're multicultural with our Kush. Oh. Now you have to be very gentle. I can't have you watching, I'm sorry. Shit, we out here in the cold. We out here doing fucking bad shit. Vlogging. Yeah, that shit was pretty funny though. Nah, what the fuck? nature, doing a J in the wilderness where the beasts are roaming. This is life. What is life? This is life. Big Kush in nature, becoming one with the moon or some shit. Howl at the moon. It's trippy being outside in nature, knowing you can die at any given second. But the Kush Lord provides, you know. Very quiet. Don't want to wake the whole pack up. Day 3 in nature. Pretty much did all there's to do. We're heading back to get more dope. That's about it. Oh, I took a poo. You can almost see it. A little messy out there.
I'm a real street nigga, do you understand me? I'm a walking bankroll, breezy rubber band means